Oh, mate. Watch my plants.
Young people aren't particularly clued up when it comes to DIY. So that's why we've teamed up with HomeServe to make sure that Gen Z and their parents are fixed up for the future.
Hi, it's Hash, the engineer from HomeServe. I believe you got a leak?
We do. I'll show you the way.
Thank you. First things first, we need to locate your stopcock or a stop valve.
Oh.
That's your stopcock there, and that controls the water supply to your entire house. Usually they're underneath the kitchen sink, underneath the stairs, or in a downstairs toilet, but they could be anywhere in your house.
If you didn't find your stopcock, turn it off.
Yeah.
What kind of horror show could we be looking at?
Could end up flooding your property.
Fred, why don't you turn the stop valve off?
See if you can do it. Let's do it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty this. Let's have a go.
Very good. First time for everything, Fred.
Won't do too much. Be ready to kick me out.
Yeah. When do we admit defeat and call in the experts?
If the leak continues.
Hash, thank you very much. For more information, go to homeserve.co.uk.